This one involves converting words into algebra. So we know that A is 2p% of B. That's the same as saying A equals 2p over 100, because percentages are ratios out of 100. 2p% of B. But we're trying to solve for B. We need what B is in terms of A. So then we know we divide both sides by, or multiply both sides by 100 over 2p to get rid of this. We end up with 100a over 2p equals b. But we're not actually asked what b equals. We're asked what b is what percent of a. That question in algebra form, b is what percent of a. That's the same thing as saying b equals, and we'll call x that percent, x out of 100 of a, or, again, because if you're multiplying times a, that a goes in the numerator, b equals ax over 100. That's the question we're asking. X is the number we're after. That's what percent of a b is. But we already had an equation of what b equaled, so we can actually just set these equal to each other. So we have 100a over 2p equals ax over 100. And, you can do yourself a little bit of a favor by, doing some of the math here. We can get rid of the, we can cross multiply and simplify this. 100a over 2p, that's the same thing as 50a over 2p. Anyway, we cross multiply it out. If we had used the reduced one, I'll just write that in here. Ax over 100 equals 50a over 2p. Cross multiply, we get axp equals 5,000 a. X, divide both sides by a, xp equals 5,000. And since x is the percentage that we're after, remember, x, b equals x percent of a, we divide both sides by p. X equals 5,000 divided by p, which is answer choice E.